Hi, good morning everyone. I'm here in now in Karim, and I will go in Riyadh with the railway. And from my room is going to railway station in Dammam. It's take 17 minutes, something like that. So I will show you in the road. I will go in Riyadh. So just wait. Can I draw money? So I will go in Riyadh and I will show you everywhere in Riyadh. Okay guys, I'm on the way to go in railway station, and this is my brother who dropped me in the railway station. What's your name, brother? Noaf. His name is Noaf, and he will drop me in the railway station. So I will just go in Riyadh for just visit and have a fun. So just you can watch all the video in YouTube. Okay.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire, no more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual, don't you wanna feel right? Setbacks, you can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue, it's good to shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual, don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel?
Okay guys, this is the Dammam railway station. You can see that. It's really nice, and it's a morning now. Morning 7:20, and my train is 8 o'clock. So you can see that it's a really nice place. Okay, I will enter now inside, and I will just take my ticket, because I already book in online. It's better if you travel in train, you should be booking in online, because if you directly come in the same day in the railway station, you cannot get the ticket easily. So better you try to book in online. So I will enter now inside, and let's see. Okay guys, so you can see the inside is very nice, and this is really good. Same like a airport, really. Actually, the processing and everything is same like a airport. Let's have a coffee shop here. So you can see it. This is the for ticket print. So I was just waiting so I can get my ticket print. Okay, I already done my cricket print. So I'm just waiting to go to the ticket counter so they can check my ticket. Okay, so I need this here now. You can see that all the people waiting here. Okay, so I will off now video. After the check, then I will show you again. Okay guys, I already ran the checkpoint and you can see this train. It's train number 5 and I will be arriving in Riyadh around 12 o'clock. So let's be going inside and see. My seat number is D5. So I need to go in D5. Looking for the D5. Let's go. I'll show you. It's really good. Assalamualaikum. D5. Yeah. Thank you. You can see that. And actually, I buy the second class ticket. So D5. Okay, this is the one D. So let's go inside. D5. Yeah. Assalamualaikum. D5. Oh, D5. Okay, this is the D5. This one C, not D. This one C. C1. Yeah, it should be the other one. Okay. Okay guys, I'm ready to get my seat. So window seat, D5. I'll put my bag. So I think I will be right in Riyadh 11:37, but I don't think so 11:37 I can ride. This is the window. You cannot see anything in outside. This is the problem. By the way, the train will be deposit from here is 8:05 and now it's time 7:31. So we need to waiting more than I think 30 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that. Okay. And if you want to eat something in that train, you can, because where the train is start, they have a food you can buy and eat in the breakfast. So the ticket job is done. Show you other seat also. This is the for play. You can play. If you want to Salah, you can here. It's really nice place. Some seat is very clear, but some not. No problem. I'm here in the bathroom now. And if you come here in the train, you're not thinking about the bathroom because the bathroom is really nice. You can see it. They have a yard broom, they have the tissue paper, and that you can see that it's same like a airline's bathroom. So when you travel in train, you never will be thinking for the bathroom. Seriously, you can see, guys, it's really nice, clean, and it's really awesome. And my journey will be start 8:05, and it's just 7:40, more 25 minutes. So yeah, I really want to try to show you outside, but my seat is window seat, but the glass is totally dark. I cannot. Okay, guys, just stay with me, and hope you will enjoy my journey. DammamTO Riyadh in train. Okay, see you. Okay, guys, we are starting in our journey. Just now start, and this will be stopped through a station before this will be arrive in Riyadh. So first is upkeep, then second is Hufuf. It's really good, but I already moved my seat, and before I'm the window seat, but I cannot see anything outside. But now I'm another, and this also window seat. I have with what's your name?
Yeah.
Jer, and from Philippines.
Yeah.
So let's start our journey. I want to show you the outside view. The weather is really good in Dammam, but it's hot. You can see the outside view. Nothing you can see without desert. This is the things. You can see that it's just a desert in everywhere. Okay, so you see the outside view is really nothing, just desert, nothing more that.
In the game.
Okay, we are in Upkeep now, and the Upkeep railway station is very small, not really big.
أعزائنا
You can see in our
المسافرون،
side.
بعد قليل سيتوقف القطار في محطة بكيك. نرجو منكم
You can see
البقاء
it's
في
really
مقاعدكم
nothing.
حتى
All
يتوقف
desert,
القطار تماما.
nothing, but it's Upkeep.
Dear passengers, this train will arrive shortly in Bgay.
أعزائنا المسافرون، بعد قليل سيتوقف القطار في محطة بكيك. نرجو منكم البقاء في مقاعدكم حتى يتوقف القطار تماما.
Dear passengers, this train will arrive shortly in Bgay.
Okay, we are here in Upkeep now, and then from Upkeep we'll go in Hufuf. Then after Hufuf we will be in Riyadh. Yeah, so let's have a long time because now it's time 8:41, and we'll be arriving in Riyadh around 12:30, something like that. So have more, how many hours? You can see that 4 hours almost. And it's really good if you travel by train, better than you're going South Korea, you know, other car, because training is more safe. And this is the Upkeep in our side now, you can see. Now you can see some houses. So yeah, this is the Upkeep railway station. It's really small railway station.
أعزائنا المسافرون، بعد قليل سيتوقف القطار في محطة بكيك. نرجو منكم البقاء في مقاعدكم حتى يتوقف القطار تماما.
Okay, this
Dear passengers, this train will arrive shortly in Bgay.
Okay, we're here in already stopped that. But the train is stopped soon. Okay, we are entering Hofuf. That's why you can see that on the mountain, but totally desert. Is the mountain on and train is moving very fast. Really. The speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, we are now in Hofuf station. One of the Hofuf will move in Riyadh, and you can see that outside is other train. So yeah, we're just waiting for that. This will be stopped now. We are in Hofuf. Okay, and my GoPro battery getting low. So see you in Riyadh.
We hope to see you again
Okay guys,
soon.
we are already here in Riyadh now, and you can see that the hour sign, and time is now 11:42. Yes, it's 11:42 and we are already here in Riyadh, so it's good journey.
We hope to see you again
Okay guys,
soon.
we are already here in Riyadh now, and you can see that the hour sign, and time is now 11:42. Yes, it's 11:42 and we are already here in Riyadh, so it's good journey. Okay, finally we are here in Riyadh. You can see. It's not too much hot in the weather. Hope so. See you soon. Okay. Yeah. It's really nice. It's really nice. So I want to fresh up first and on the bathroom, and you can see that there's a view. It's really good. Okay, we'll exit now.